So, oh my gosh, my elbows are dry. Okay, so hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, different background. As you guys should know, I'm in a hotel because I booked a hotel for you guys so I can film like a lingerie haul, a date night haul for you guys, just to inspire you guys, get something nice and sexy for Valentine's Day for your, you know, for your babe, for your boo, for your girl, for your boy, whatever. Not even for that, for yourself as well, you know, self-love, you know, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, this video is just going to be like a date night inspo. I'm just going to have like literally a few outfits, like 6 outfits, just to inspire you guys, to help you give you like some inspirations on what to wear for date night. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get straight into it. Let's do it. It's 4 AM in the morning, Addy, calm down. Okay, so this is the first dress. Trying to go as back as possible. I insert some clips of the outfit, insert pictures of the outfit, but I got this dress from ASOS and it has like mesh. One thing about me is I love mesh on my skin. It just feels so nice, it makes it feel sexy, you know. It has like this mesh panels here and then the mesh strap here, and this is how it looks from the back. It's very cute, nice and orange, nice color, really complements like my skin. It's like a terracotta kind of like orange brownish color, but yeah, nice cute dress. Okay, and this is a dress that I got from Pretty Little Thing and Pretty Little Thing. Oh yeah, it's a high slit, you can't really see, but it is high slit. It's very, it's very high, it's very high slit, and it has like puffer shoulders as you can see here. But this is very nice and elegant for date night. Nice little cute heels, nice little black bag. You know, you don't even have to wear a jacket. Obviously, hopefully day dries, because so then you don't have to bring a jacket, you know. But yeah, this is really nice. I like this high slit, sexy. Ooh. And then we have this dress from Pretty Little Thing as well. It is a high slit sparkle dress. Sparkle. As you can see, the high slits. Sexy. I think this is even on the wrong side, is it? Oh, okay, it's not on the wrong side. But yeah, high slit, sexy dress from Pretty Little Thing. Everything I don't like about it is the tie waist, because it's like, I don't know, I don't feel like it goes. I don't know. Maybe it's because I have depressed breast. So, but I don't feel like the tie goes with it. I don't know, it's just me personally. But no, nice sparkle sequin dress. Very sexy for date night. Nice little dinner. And this sit is very high, like my vagina's like basically there. If I didn't have the belly, vagina will be on show. So no, this dress is really nice. I do like it. Okay, so and I have this handkerchief top from ASOS. Actually, I was trying to think of what it was, where I got it from. But yeah, handkerchief top from ASOS with these leather pants. These pants are from ASOS as well, guys. These pants are actually amazing. I love the feel. I feel comfortable. Normally whenever I wear leather pants, yeah, it tends to get hot and it tends to feel sticky on my skin. But these ones from ASOS, yeah, these are nice. These are really nice. It's a nice, very nice date night. Very nice date night. You can wear like a nice matching, what is it? Blazer, like a nice leather blazer, like leather jacket to go along with it. We don't even need to wear anything, just accessorize with some nice gold jewelry, nice cute bag, nice heel, and Bob's your uncle. Okay guys, and then we have this beautiful skirt that I just paired with this top that I own already. This skirt, I really like this skirt, that's why I bought it. I feel like this would be nice for date night, just because of this part. Give it to Dave. Oh, give it to Dave. So, but this would be nice for this would be nice for date, like the skirt, just the skirt. Maybe this outfit, to be honest, I don't know. It's cute. It's cute. Also got this 2-piece from ASOS, just for, you know, a nice casual daytime date to go, you know, a nice little lunch or something, you know, something cute. Walk by the pond or whatever you guys have in the area. I don't know. But yeah, it's really cute. This is a turtleneck, but it's like a crop top turtleneck, and this is a, what do they call these, pinafores? A pinafore. A pinafore? Yes, a pinafore. But yeah, I really do like this. I actually do like this. It's very, very nice. You can wear this with thigh-high boots and a nice leather jacket, because that's what I own. So that's why I mentioned it, because you know, that's something I can picture myself right around there with. But this is the last piece of the haul, and I'm gonna go to bed now, guys, because I'm tired. It's like 4 AM, like maybe even 5 AM now, and yeah, I'm tired. I'm delirious. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this cute little like mini date night inspo haul, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So deuces.